Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix black and white screen problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. See my phone screen, it is in black and white combination. See here. So if you would like to bring your phone screen into normal screen, yes, you can do it. What you go to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to modes and routines, and here select sleep and click on turn off. If you turn off sleep mode, your phone will come to the normal mode. Okay, see here, it's in color combination. So in this way you can easily fix black and white screen problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Okay, if you have already accidentally turned on sleep mode, what you have to do is just turn off sleep mode so that your phone black and white color problem will be solved. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.